in making sure that he raises his voice against this scourge of gender-based violence. We are eternally grateful today that His Majesty, the Prime Minister, and the Minister, they are here today to continue to loud this call of gender-based violence. Ours as the Goodman Foundation is to create the platform and to create the space, and we are eternally grateful that the King is leading the fight against gender-based violence. I would request Mr. Gwengwe, Councillor Gwengwe from eThekwini Municipality to please come and welcome us.
Program Director, His Majesty the King, Minister in the Presidency, Dunankulu KwaZulu, Ndlunkulu Silo, Sihlalo wamakhosi KwaZulu Natal, uSushinga, amakhosi akhona, abe foundation esihlanganise namhlanje, egameni lomkhandlu waseThekwini, sifisa ukuzwakalisa ukuthokoza kakhulu kwindlulamithi yamakhosi ngokuba ingxenye yomcimbi obaluleke kangaka la khona ukukhuzwa isimo la khona besilisa betholakala bedlobongela noma belwisana nabantu besifazana kanye nengane. Njengomasipala waseThekwini sifisa ukuyibophezela ekuthenini singagcini ngamadoda kodwa siqhubezele nasebafana nasebebancane ukuba bajwayezwe ukuthi kufanele babahloniphe abantu besifazane kanjalo nangabangena